Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this amazing website in just some few minutes using Elementor Pro. So we're going to just use 10 minutes approximately to create this website. Okay. Now to create a website, what you need is hosting domain name and then Elementor Pro, and you are good to go. So to be able to start creating this amazing website, we're going to use Elementor Pro. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and open a new link over here, a new tab over here, and then just type in skytechdigital.com/Elementor. Okay, just type in this one over here, and then you'll be redirected to Elementor Pro website, and you can be able to get your pricing straight, buy your hosting and everything, and then you'll be able to start following this tutorial. So make sure that you get Elementor hosting and then follow this tutorial as as soon as possible. So as you can see over here, get all the prices over here for some few bucks. Now you need the hosting and you need domain name. Elementor Pro will give you all those things over here. Okay, so Elementor is going to give you everything. So Elementor hosting will help you to set up everything. You don't need to worry about cPanel and all those things. Elementor will set up everything for you. And then if you are done with this one, just choose a plan. If you are done with this one, now you can come and follow us, and then we will be able to start creating this amazing website. Now what we are going to do is we're going to use Elementor Pro blocks to be able to create this website. Okay, so after you create this particular website, you can go ahead and then just design it or edit it anyhow you want it. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. So let's say you have your Elementor hosting setup, you have your Elementor Pro installed. Okay, so now you can be able to go ahead and then follow this tutorial. Now if you don't know how to get the Elementor hosting and Elementor Pro, I have videos I'll leave in the description. Just click on those links, watch the video, and then you can be able to set up your Elementor Pro and follow this particular tutorial. Alright guys, so I am on my WordPress website dashboard over here. What we're going to do is we're going to create a one-page website. Okay, so what we're going to do is we go ahead straight away to hover on pages over here, click on add new, and then we name our page. So let's say we're going to name the page home. So we're going to call this page home, save it. Okay, so the page has been saved, and then it is redirecting us to Elementor to start creating our website for us. So we're going to do this one in very simple steps. So just follow those steps, and then you'll be able to have a website in some few minutes, approximately 10 minutes. You'll be done. Okay, so what you need to do with this one is just after getting all the structure done, you just need to edit it, and then your website is done. So basically this is the Elementor widget and Elementor Pro, where we're going to use everything to design our website. So this space is what we're going to use to design the website, and these are the elements and the widgets that we will be using. But we are going to specifically use the blocks, Elementor blocks, to do everything. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to click on settings over here, and then we scroll down over here, and then you see what we call page layout over here. Just change from default to Elementor canvas. Okay, so we're going to change from default to Elementor canvas. Now before we go on and do everything, make sure that you also set up your let me go to the dashboard for you to Elementor my dashboard, my website dashboard, for you to know what I'm talking about. Now first of all, make sure that you set up your menus. Okay, because we're going to use menus for the header and all those things. So create your menus and set up your menus. Okay, now it's just a custom menus that we're going to use. Okay, because everything is just a one-page website, so you understand what I'm going. So hover on appearance over here, and then click on menus over here, and then create a menu for your website. Okay, so a menu is just like this one over here. The menu is this one's over here. Okay, so if I click over here, it takes me to a page like a section of the website. If I click over here, also take me to a section of the website. If I click over here, take me to the testimonial. Click over here, take me to the contact. Okay, so this is just the menu. Okay, the menu of the website. Now go over here, like I told you, appearance, menus, and then create your menu. Okay, so make sure that you create your menu. So I've created some few menus over here: home, about, you know, our values, testimonials, and then contact. That is what I'm going to use for my website. Okay, so this is the structure of my website that I want. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over here now that you know I have set up Elementor canvas over here. Now the first thing I need to do is to click on this folder icon over here. So I'm going to click on it, and then it will open the blocks library for me. Okay, so I am going to choose the kind of blocks that I want to use for my website. So there are a lot of you know, free things over here that you can use. Now if you are subscribed to Elementor Pro, you can be able to use all the pro blocks that you see over here. Okay, so a lot of them that you can use. Okay, so basically I'm going to choose a category which is step by step. So I'm going to go for header over here. So with a header, I'm going to choose this particular header. So I'll click on insert now, and then click on apply. Okay, so as you can see, automatically my header is what's set up for me. Now if your menus do not appear over here, don't worry, just click over here, click on it, and then choose your menu. Okay, so you choose the menu that you created. Okay, and then you select it over here, it will appear over here. Okay, and that is it. So now I have my header set up. You can also choose, click over here, and then choose your logo that you want to use. So just if you click over here to change site logo, you can go ahead and then, you know, upload logo on your website. So as you can see, I can just click over here and then go ahead and then upload any logo that I want to use on my website. So if I have a specific logo that I want to use, I can go ahead and then, you know, just click over here, and then I select the logo that I want to use, and then that logo will be what will be you know, changed for me. Okay, so specifically this is the site identity, but that is not the site logo. This is the site logo over here. Okay, so if I go over here and let me just close this one over here, and as you can see, yes, I want to save the changes over here. So as you can see, my logo has been set up over here for me. Okay, so that is exactly what we are talking about, setting up your logo. So now that we set up our logo, we set up what we want to use, now we can go ahead and then click on add new template again. So we're going to click on the folder icon to add blog over there. So now we want a hero. Okay, so we change the category from header to hero. Okay, so we want to change this one to hero, and then in it I'm going to search for you know, let's say I want to use this particular one. So I'm going to use this one over here, and then as you can see, I have this hero session set up for me, already designed for me. Okay, I don't need to do anything. All what I can do is maybe set up the link that I want to use and other stuff. Okay, and that is it. So my hero is set up. Now I can go again and click over here, and then also, you know, go to the next session, which is the about session. Okay, so let me check the about session. So I'm going to go to the about session over here, and then, you know, change or set up the about session also. So I'm going to go over here and then click on about, and then as you can see, there are a lot of about over here. Okay, so what I want to use is this particular one over here. So I'm going to use this one. All right, so my about session is also set up over here. Now the next one that I want to do is also to set up my values. Okay, our values. So as you can see, this is what our values, the values we live by. Okay, as a web designer, what are your values that, or digital marketer, what are your values that you live by? Okay, so that is exactly what I want to set up. So I'll click on the folder icon again, and then search through and see if I could get, you know, the values that I want to use. So I'm going to go through, scroll through it, and then look through it and see what I want to use. So there are a lot of them over here. So I'm going to just go through, okay, anything that you want. So as you can see, we have this one over here which says what the values we live by, but I want to see if that is exactly what I use now. I use this particular one. Okay, so I'm going to see if I'll find it over here. Of course, it's supposed to be in it. I just need to keep searching and searching, and I'll find it. Alright guys, so this is exactly what I used over here. So I'm going to click on it, okay, and then insert it. So I'm going to insert it, and then we are going to use it on the website. So let's hold on for it to be inserted. So as you can see, we have this one over here. Now we can go ahead and then set up our testimonials. Okay, so our success stories, what people are saying about us. We can also go ahead and then check it out. So I'm going to click on this folder, and we will set up our testimonial. So I'm going to over here and then look for testimonials over here. Okay, so I'm going to search for testimonials and then look through the testimonials that we have on the this particular website. So you can choose any of them that you want to use. Okay, so as you can see, this is a testimonial. This is also what testimonial. This is a testimonial. We can use any of them. Okay, so any of them we can be able to use it. So what do I want to use? So let me just use this particular one over here. So I'm going to click over here and then use this particular one. Alright guys, so we've set up our testimonials. Okay, as you can see, we have our testimonials set up over here. Now you can go ahead and then if you want to just reduce the size of everything, you can do so for yourself, but I think everything is all right. Now from testimonials we can go ahead and then set up our contact. Okay, so let's just click on the folder icon over here and then go ahead and then choose contact. Okay, so I'm going to just choose contact and then see the contacts that will pop up for me. So I'm going to use this particular one over here which says let's work together. So I'm going to just click on insert and then use it on my website. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am really done with the website. Everything is perfectly done. Now all what I need to do is just click on publish to publish it, and then the website is done. Now of course this is dummy content that they use on the website. Okay, now you can set up your own content by just just hover on any content that you want to change, click on this particular one, and then you can change the content over here. Okay, so the same way applies to this one. Just click on this one and then you can be able to change the content over here. Okay, so it is as simple as that. It's not difficult for you to create your own website using Elementor hosting and Elementor Pro. Okay, so just if you want to just connect the button, just click over here and then set up your button link. So I'm going to set it up to contact. Okay, and if somebody clicks on it, it will take them straight to the contact. So now that we have our our menus and other stuff done, I'm going to just click on update to update the website, and then we take a look at how the website really looks like on the front end. So I'm going to go over here and then click on view, open new link to view our website, how it really looks like. Alright guys, so this is how our website really looks like. Very nicely done with a sticky header over there. Okay, so we have a complete designed website for ourselves. Okay, now we can change the words, everything in it, and make it our own. We can even change the colors of the website and make it our own. Now if you want to if I click over here, it doesn't take me anywhere. If I click over here, it doesn't take me anywhere. The same way applies to this one. It doesn't take me anywhere. Now what you have to do is you want to link our menus, okay, to the session, part of the session, just like this one over here. Now if I click on about, it's going to take me to the about section. If I click on values, it will take me to the values. If I click on testimonials, it will take me to testimonial. If I click on contact, it will still take me to contact. Now if I click on contact as, this one will also take me to contact. Okay, let's say I am at the about side and I click on contact, it will definitely bring me to contact, and that is what we want to do. So to do that, we're going to go back over here, and then first of all, let's go to our menus. Okay, so your menus over here, make sure that you set it up in such a way that it is representing the exact things that you want to link. Okay, so I have home, I have the about, I have values and all those things. Now the home is the name, the page of my my website. So if you look at it very well, if you look at over here, it says what, home over here. Okay, so for that one I'm not going to do anything about it, but about, okay, is a custom link. This one is also a custom link. This one is also a custom link. This one is also a custom. Now to set up a custom link, it's very simple. Just over here, click on this arrow down over here, and then use a pound sign. Okay, and then just write any name that you want it to show on the menu, and then you click on add to menu, and then it will be here. So if you look over here, the about is what is a custom link that links to the about section. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this this one without the pound sign. Okay, just copy it and then come to your page over here and then scroll to the about section. Okay, so this is the about section. Now you see this particular section over here, or the container that you see over here, just click on the main one. Okay, this particular one, and then go to its advanced over here, and then scroll down, and then you see CSS ID. Okay, now over here, just paste in what we copied. Just write the the about without the pound sign. Okay, the same way we want to use for the values. Okay, so as you can see over here, we also click over here, and then it says what, values. Now our values, now if you go to this place and then you check, I check our values, I have written what, values. Okay, and that is exactly what I want to use over here. So the CSS ID that I want to use is what, is values. So I'm going to go to advanced, scroll down, and go to CSS ID, and just type in values in small letters. Okay, so that is it. Now I'll do the same thing for testimonials also. So this is what testimonials, I'll click over here, go to advanced of it. Okay, let me just go to it advanced, scroll down, type in testimonials. Okay, testimonial, make sure that the spelling is correct. It's the same as what you use in the menu section over there. Now let's go to the last one, which is what, contact. So I'm going to click over here, and then go to advanced, and then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'll click on what, I will type in contact in the CSS ID section over there. Okay, the space over there, and now I am done. So if I click on update right now, let me just update it, and then if I go to my page over here now, over here, let me just refresh it. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it. Okay, now if I click on about, it's going to take me to the about section over here. Okay, if I click on values, it's going to take me to the value section. If I click on testimonials, it will take me to testimonials, and if I click on contact, it will take me to what, contact. Okay, and that is it. Now what you need to do is just to link this particular button over here to the contact page, to the contact section over here. So the same way applies to this one, you link it. So if I click over here, you see it's going to take me over because I already linked it. So to do so for this one, I'm just going to click over here, and then you see this one, which is using a different internal link over here. I'm going to just cancel this one. Okay, I'm going to just cancel this one, and then because this one is using dynamic tags, I don't want it. I want to just type in my link. Okay, my menu link over there. So I'm going to just use the pound sign over here, and then just type in contact. Okay, over here, so that it's going to link this one to the contact page. Okay, after that, I'm going to just click on update over here, and then I am good to go. So if I come over here, and let me just go to about, refresh the website. Okay, and click on contact over here, you see that it's going to take me back to my contact page. Okay, so guys, this is how you can be able to create a website in some few minutes using Elementor hosting and Elementor Pro. Hope this video helps you to be able to get a fair idea on how to create your own website for yourself. See you in the next video. If you use the link to buy Elementor Pro or Elementor hosting, you are supporting the channel, so feel free to use the link. But of course, if you don't want to use the link, you can go straight to Elementor website and then get Elementor hosting an Elementor Pro for yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.